Hello everyone, I'm Shanaz Malik and you are watching Data Analytics Professionals. Let's quickly jump into today's lecture topic. Now, as all of you could see, current topic for this lecture is imputation techniques for categorical data. And let's quickly move forward. So this is lecture number 37 in this series, and now, the core of this lecture is that categorical features are mostly of string data types. Hence, imputation can't be directly applied to these string data features. But there is a way out, and that is we need to convert or encode string data into numeric data first before we use these features to fit and evaluate a machine learning model. Many machine learning algorithms performances vary based on how categorical features are encoded. And remember, categorical features can be divided into two categories, which is nominal and ordinal. And to some of you who have watched my series from the beginning, this might be a little bit of repetition, but there is no harm to remind, things which are very important so that we can understand it in a better way. Now, a few examples of nominal. Nominal do not have a particular order. For example, it can be sheep, lamb, cow, dog, cat. They don't have particular order, or red, yellow, green, blue. It doesn't, it doesn't have any kind of scale, or it doesn't have any kind of order with it. While as ordinal have some order. Some commonly encountered examples are as follows. For example, you might encounter excellent, very good, good, satisfactory, bad, or high, medium, low. Or for example, if you are dealing with weather, high breeze, moderate breeze, gentle breeze. And maybe you are being asked some questions, and then given some scenario, and then asked strongly agree, agree, neutral, disagree, and strongly disagree. You might have such categorical variables in your data set, and there can be many more. I'm just giving you a few examples. And so now, first of all, I think you guys should understand that, for example, in ordinal, there is some kind of order. If you see that excellent is higher than very good is higher than good, and so on. And for example, high is higher than medium, and it is high, medium is higher than low. It gives us kind of an order, and so on. Now, if we move on to the next slide, and just remember that there are many ways we can encode these categorical variables and as numbers and use them in machine learning algorithm. I will mention as many as I have tried and tested, from basic to more advanced ones. Remember, we could achieve conversion by the following methods. We can take any of the method and then use them. And these methods are, for example, number one, I have put ordinal encoding, then one hot encoding, label encoding, helmet encoding, binary encoding, mean encoding, frequency encoding, weight of evidence encoding, probability ratio encoding, leave one out encoding, and hashing encoding, backward difference encoding, M estimator encoding, James Stein encoding, and thermometer encoder. So these are some of the methods. Just remember that I will take an example, a simple example of some data, and just then show you how we can use each one of them on the data set, but just to understand how it works. But once we complete talking about each one, just try to understand how it works. And then I'm going to take ordinal encoding and one hot encoding separately. And I am not only going to impute the missing values using ordinal encoding and one hot encoding, but also I will then evaluate which method has given us better results, and also visualize it through density plot, and more, and show you how really in a professional world we could use, for example, these two methods, and achieve our goals, which is to choose the best imputation method and evaluate it, and so that we are giving best features to and best data to I mean to say quality data to machine learning algorithms, so that the machine learning models will be uh, you know um, we can produce great machine learning models which could help us then to solve a particular business problem in the best way possible. I think that's it in this lecture, and in next lecture, we'll discuss one by one. Now, I will take in one lecture, maybe ordinal, then another lecture, one hot at coding. But bear with me till I finish all, and once I finish all, I will once again do as I have said, ordinal encoding and one hot encoding. I will do it twice and show you in depth how we can use it. With that say, if you like it, it's I'm happy. Please let me know, but just bear first of all bear with me and be with me till end, till watch each and all lectures until this imputation, I finish the topic on handling missing data and imputation method. Okay, and with that, allow me, and please stay connected in next video.